We are pleased to show you the 2013 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver airbag, cruise control, climate control, captain chairs, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defroster, power windows, side airbag, passenger airbag, power door locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.